Welcome to my channel! Today, we are going on a visual journey through the 10 most influential interior design styles to help you find your home's true identity. We've all seen the Pinterest boards, but today I'm breaking down exactly what makes these styles work. We'll be looking at everything from the sleek lines of minimalism to the rugged charm of industrial. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which aesthetic matches your personality. Let's dive into our first look, the art of the quiet home. Minimalism. First up is minimalism, and I've got two beautiful examples to show you how this less is more philosophy works in practice. In this first space, notice that massive textured plaster wall. It isn't just a flat surface, it has an organic feel that adds warmth without adding clutter. See how that long wooden hearth runs the entire length of the room? It's a multifunctional masterpiece, serving as a fireplace, a floating bench, and storage all at once. In minimalism, a single sculptural object, like that gray sphere on the floor, holds the weight of the entire room. Now, look at this second space. Here we see how minimalism plays with architectural scale through these massive, smooth columns and the low-profile, modular sofa. Instead of bright colors, we're seeing a tonal palette, using different shades of beige and cream to create depth. This style is for anyone who wants their home to feel like a quiet exhale, a sanctuary where every piece has a purpose. Contemporary. Now, let's pivot to contemporary design. While minimalism is about the absence of things, contemporary is about the presence of style right now. Look at this first mood-drenched space. This is a masterclass in modern luxury. Contemporary design loves high contrast. Notice these dark charcoal walls paired with glowing oak shelving and an illuminated wine display. See the texture on the 4 brown leather club chairs? Their deep tufting adds a touch of classic comfort to a very sleek room. But contemporary can also be light and sculptural, as we see in this next room. Notice the organic kidney shape of that dark sofa and the curved wooden accent chairs. This style isn't afraid of art. Look at the mix of abstract pieces and that unique folded coffee table. It feels sophisticated, curated, and perfectly aligned with today's trends. Next, we have modern design. People often confuse modern with contemporary, but modern actually refers to a specific era, focused on clean, straight lines, and a form follows function attitude. Look at this high-ceiling loft. Notice the sharp, geometric glass coffee tables and the exposed metal spiral staircase. The color palette remains neutral, anchored by these rich cognac leather chairs. This style celebrates structural integrity, often featuring large glass windows that connect you to the outside world. In this second modern space, the focus is on sculptural elegance. Look at that stunning marble fireplace. It's clean-lined and unadorned, letting the natural stone do the talking. The furniture here is iconic, featuring simple silhouettes and smooth fabrics. Modernism is for those who love order, symmetry, and a design that feels timeless. Eclectic. For the rule breakers, we have eclectic design. This style is all about mixing eras and textures to create a home that is entirely one of a kind. Look at this first room. This is soft eclectic. The walls are a serene sage green, providing a backdrop for adventurous furniture like that burnt orange marshmallow chair. The rug is the star here, with that vibrant pop of pink. If that felt too subtle, check out this second space. This is eclectic design in its most vibrant, maximalist form. This room is a celebration of more is more, featuring a turquoise sofa and a gallery wall that mixes macrame with bold illustrations. In eclectic design, the goal is to find balance in the chaos. If you want your home to be a collection of everything you love, this is the way to go. Bohemian. Next is the Bohemian, or boho, style. This is the ultimate expression of a free-spirited, travel-inspired lifestyle. Take a look at this first sun-drenched space. This is modern boho. The foundation is light and bright, but the greenery, massive plants and trailing vines, literally brings the outdoors in. Notice the pillows. They aren't a matching set, but a mix of block prints and woven textures. For a look that's more grounded, check out this second room. This is the heart of Bohemian texture. Look at the whitewashed brick serving as a backdrop for that massive macrame tapestry. The coffee table here is a total showstopper, a raw, live-edge wood slab. If you want a home that feels lived in and full of soul, Bohemian is your calling. Coastal. Now, let's head to the shore with coastal design. The goal is to make you feel like you're on vacation every single day. Look at this first living space. This is classic coastal. Notice the heavy use of navy and sky blue against creamy white walls. This room leans into the theme with seahorse illustrations and nautical striped pillows. Even the coffee table has a weathered driftwood feel. But if you prefer something more contemporary, look at this second home. This is modern coastal. Notice how the entire back wall disappears, blending the interior with the outdoor pool. Here, the blue is used sparingly as an accent. Look at the textures: gray rattan chairs and a unique driftwood base coffee table. It's a refreshing aesthetic that makes every day feel like a slow Sunday morning. Art Deco. Now for some pure drama. Art Deco. This is the height of 1920s glamour, defined by symmetry, geometry, and luxury. In this first space, we see the moody side of deco. Look at the deep, charcoal-paneled walls and the perfectly arched bookshelves. The materials here scream wealth: rich green leather club chairs and polished brass accents. Art Deco can also be vibrant, as we see in this second room. Here, the focus is on bold colors like emerald and navy. Geometric patterns are a hallmark. Look at the gold and white sunburst art on the wall and the intricate brass side tables. If you want your home to feel like a scene from The Great Gatsby, Art Deco is your ultimate aesthetic. Modern Farmhouse. Now let's look at the style that has defined the last decade. Modern Farmhouse. This look takes the soul of a country home and gives it a sharp, contemporary edge. Take a look at this stunning living room. The first thing you notice is the height. Those soaring white walls and that massive fireplace create grandeur. But notice that single, raw timber beam across the ceiling. It's a rustic touch that grounds the entire room. Modern Farmhouse relies on contrast, like these black, industrial-style window frames against bright white walls. The furniture is a mix: a sleek white sofa paired with tan leather armchairs and a rustic wood console. It's the perfect choice for a home that feels warm and family-oriented, but still clean and current. Rustic. Now, let's head for the mountains with rustic design. This is an unapologetic celebration of raw, natural materials. Look at this first space. This is modern rustic, with weathered wood beams balanced by crisp white walls and industrial windows. Notice the sheepskin stools and the thick-cut wooden coffee table. Compare that to this second room, the heart of a classic lodge. Look at the scale of the timber and that massive stone fireplace. Finally, we have this alpine luxury look. Look at the floor-to-ceiling stone and the antler mount. It's softened with plush fur throws and white textured chairs. If you want a home that feels like a sturdy, protective sanctuary, rustic is your fit. Industrial. Finally, we arrive at our 10th style, industrial. This aesthetic celebrates the bones of the building: exposed brick, metal pipes, and concrete. Look at this first dramatic loft. You have raw brick walls and a mix of distressed leather and dark metal furniture. The lighting is essential. That large black pendant with the Edison bulb adds that factory energy. But industrial can also feel bright, as we see in this second home. Massive black-framed windows flood the room with light, while a navy sectional and sheepskin rug take the cold edge off the concrete floors. This style is for anyone who loves an open concept space with a cool architectural edge. And there you have it, 10 distinct interior design styles. I hope walking through these images helped you pinpoint exactly which look feels like home to you. Remember, the best homes often blend elements from a few of these styles to create something unique. Which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a design deep dive. And I'll see you in the next one.